So this game is it's called Guess My Number game. With the sprites here would have a number in our mind. We are supposed to guess the particular number that he's thinking of. So now let me see. For instance, now let me click on the flag. You can see, okay, guess my secret number between 50 and 100. So now she has picked a number now. The number is between 50 and 100. So now let us try and guess the number correctly. So let me just say, for instance, 80. Remember, it is between 50 and 100. 80. Okay, it said 80 is too low. So now that means now it is between 80 now to 100. Let me say 90. Okay, 90 is too high. So now it is between 80 to 90. So now let's say 85. 85 is too low. Okay, let's go 86. 86 is too low. Let's go 87. 87 too low. Okay, let's say 88. 88 is still too low. That means it is going to be 89. All right, so that's the number you can see. Good job. The correct number is 89. So she picked 89. So this is what we're going to make today. So everybody open your Turbo Wrap. Open your Turbo Wrap and bring out the sprites and the background. You already know the sprite and the background already. So just open your Turbo Wrap and bring out the background and the sprites. So I'm going to do that as well. So I think the sprite is heavy. Is it heavy walking or something? Let's see. Mhm. Okay, it's heavy. So it's heavy sprite. So pick out the heavy sprite and then bring out the chalkboard backdrop. So this is the sprite and this is the backdrop. How many of you have brought it out? We're still working on it.
Work it out, sir.
I've done it.
So I've done it.
Okay, so I'll be sending you the files, but this time I'm not going to be showing you the code. What we are going to be doing now, it is student-based project. Now, I'll be sending you the PDF file. So what you're going to do, it's more like a classwork though. So what you're going to do now, you're going to read the PDF file. All the processes are there. So you follow the guide. You follow the guide and then you do it by yourself. Because as from next year, we are going to be doing your project showcase. So you need to start working on how to build your project yourself. Because as from next year, you start building your project by yourself, everybody. You start building your project. So I will send it to the chat box now. So I want you to go to the chat box and just hold on. Trying to open it. All right, so I'll go to the chat box now and I'm going to send it right away. So if you have questions, you can also ask me as well. So today is going to be like a project based. So let me see. Go to my chat box and then I'm going to send it to everyone. On my computer. All right, so I'm sending it now. It is loading. You're going to see it now. So go to the chat box. All right, so I've sent it now. So go and check it and download it. That is the PDF file. Check it and you download it. So have you guys seen the file? Have you seen the file, Samuel and Israel?
Yes, sir.
So now you study the file I sent to you. You study it and then you start working on your project. So open my file as well. Then I would open my file here.
So I don't see any message. I don't see the message you sent.
I'll send it again now. So you read it through and then you go on with the code.
Okay, sir.
I'm sending it now. So it's there now. Go and check it. All the steps are there, so you just have to read it. Continue. Guess my number game.
Yes. No, I guess.
So remember you're making a variable called guess.
Ah,
Yes,
so the other section, is this for us to put it in the same code you are going on with?
yes.
You should not make another when flag clicked again.
Everything is inside one when flag clicks.
Okay, thank you, sir. Sir, the section 2 is not clear to me. The number 1. Sir, the section 2 is not clear to me.
Are you done with section 1?
Yes, sir.
Hold on, I'm coming. Samuel, welcome. Hello, Samuel. Are you there, Samuel? Hello, Samuel, are you there?
Suzanne,
Não, tem gás de ler.
Suzanne, wọ́n ní gáàsì ń rùn o. Ṣé o tán lẹ́ẹ̀kan ni?
Israel, where do you say you're having issues? What level? Is it this section 2, right?
Yes, section 2, number 1.
Section 2, number 1, okay. Did you make it a variable for my secret number?
Yes, sir.
So what is there that's confusing you? What is that?
They asked me to put a repeat until girls. The girls cannot enter the repeat until.
Repeat until guess equaled my secret number.
Yes, sir.
Do you make a variable for guess?
Yes, sir.
So you add the equal to sign there. You don't see guess equal to. Go to operator and bring out the equal to there. Then you can
Okay,
now
sir.
put guess and secret number.
So I'm done.
Let me see. Share your screen. Let me stop sharing.
Oh,
All right, share your screen.
Okay, so fine.
Samuel, share your screen.
So, what until guess.
All right, click the flag. Okay.
What is it called?
Why is it not saying anything? So what do you say, too high or too low? Let me see your code. Zoom out.
I don't know, sir.
It's my local battery.
At the last part there, bring out show um show variable,
Ask guess my
my
secret
secret
number.
number.
Okay, ask.
Show variable, my secret number down. Is there. Then click change the attempt to my secret number.
Ask.
Not there. Bring
Oh,
it
big
down,
cocoa.
down. Bring it down on its own.
Lord.
Bring it down.
Some good.
After all the
Oh,
codes.
some
After
good.
all the codes, just put it down. Remove it there.
No, I don't know. Something. Ask. No one ask you.
Is it here,
Say
sir?
Mutuma.
Yes, that's the way it's supposed to be. Let's see again. Try again. Okay, please
Say
use your code.
It's still not working, sir.
Ask. Yes.
Hold on. Let me see your entire code. I cannot see your entire code like this. I want to see your entire code. Zoom out. Press. Okay, it's okay. Just leave it like that. Leave it like that. Let me leave it like that.
Who said that?
When flag click, set guess to 0. Samuel, you need to read that stuff again. When flag click, set.
Yes, sir.
Wait. This is create a variable called number. Hold on. Okay. Step 1 in the section 1 number 4. That code is not on your script. Samuel. Section 1 number 4. I did not see that code on your script. And also section 3 as well. I did not see set attempt to 0 on your script. I did not see that 3 and 4 on your script, Samuel. After you went flag click, what's the next thing there? You just put only guess 50 to 100 and you skipped some
Let's
parts.
guess to 0.
No, that is not guess. Is it guess that is written there?
Yes, sir.
Okay, yes. You did not add that to your code.
Completed now. Completed then.
You can be you disconnect.
You disconnect me.
Not disconnected.
You are not there. We could have done that.
Guess secret number between
Samuel, what are you doing? Why did you remove everything?
Ṣé kọ̀m̀pútà náà wà lára?
Where is the set gets to zero?
Nǹkan ṣe èyí ló ṣe lánàá. Káàmọ́ lọ. Káàmọ́ lọ.
Come on, stop sharing.
Lánàá ló ṣùtún rí bá kẹ́mi ká ló pé ẹ̀sẹ̀ rí nǹkan mú lánàá.
Samuel, are you through now?
No, sir.
Arewa, Samuel, are you there? You have been muted the whole class. I've not heard you speak anything. Are you there?
Amen.
Are you following what we are doing? Why is your camera not why is your camera off? On your camera. So are you doing what they are doing?
How do you say?
Are you doing the classwork?
I just don't I don't really
And you could not tell me anything that you just doing the class. We are just there. I will send the file to the chat box. So you go and download the file. It's a process on how to build a game called the Guess My Number game. So I'll be sending you the files. All the details are going to be on the file. So you are going to read through the files and then you're going to practice it using your Turbo app. So I'll be sending the file now.
Okay, sir.
Arewa, have you seen it? Samuel, have you seen the file? Israel, are you through with the work?
Sir, I'm done.
All right, share. Let me see. Share your screen. All right, let's click the flag. All right, that's correct. So, Samuel Matthew have gotten the tests correctly. All right, so that's good, Samuel. All right, so you can stop sharing, Samuel. Samuel Matthew, you can stop sharing now. Okay, so I've gotten our first runner up. So let's see the next person to get it correctly.
Sir, should I make the
Yes, Israel.
Should
Israel,
I make the yes variable?
should you make what?
Can I make the yes variable?
The yes.
Yes. The if yes.
No, it's not a variable. If else is in your control. You have if then and then you have if then else on your control section. There is if then and there is if then else. So check it there. It's not a variable.
Who has it? See, I thought it's got to go on. I change that part.
Go to control, you see if then else. That's what you're supposed to use.
I'm not talking about if then else. Yes. If then yes. If yes then
Where are you? Which place do you say that?
section 3.
Section 3. Let me see.
After section 2.
Number what? Section 3, number what?
Number 1, 2, 3, 5. Number 5.
Section 3, number 5. There is no number 5 here now. We just want section 3 and 1 and 2. Let me see your screen. Share what
If you scroll after section 2, you see the big if block checking your girls. If you look down, you see if yes.
section what?
After section 2.
Section 3.
Yes, sir.
Section 3, column, section 2, money.
1 and 2.
Are you sure you know what you're saying? Section 3 has just 2 numbers.
Section 2, number 1, after number 1. The next page after section 2.
The next page after section 2, sir.
Share your screen. Let me see. Share your screen. Share your screen, Israel.
Okay, sir. Mm.
What are they? Let me phone my daughter.
All right, so scroll down. Let me see what are you talking about? Is it that if yes? Are you
Yes, sir.
Hold on.
Okay. So, okay. Yes. Good. Yes, sir.
Now in that if yes, you are bringing out the if then else block. If yes is not a variable. Can you hear me, Israel? If yes is not a variable.
As we okay, yes, sir.
It's not a variable. So just bring out the
Okay,
if
sir.
then block. It's not a variable. Continue with the code.
Sir.
All right, Samuel, are you getting it? Or do you need the explanation?
Uh,
Are you getting it or you need the explanation? All right, Samuel. What did you say? I did not.
Please explain.
Okay. So
Sir, please explain.
all right. So the purpose of the game. Hold on. Let me share my screen.
Sir,
Israel.
the say hello for 2 seconds cannot be inside the if then.
Israel, read it properly. No, we're not doing the thing. Now, Samuel.
Yes, but the say too high for 2 seconds cannot be doesn't enter the if then.
Uh, Samuel. So look at the game here. So you bring out this backdrop. So this is the sprites and this is the background that you're going to be using for your game. Now, after bringing out these sprites and backdrop, then you implement those code on these sprites here. You implement the code on the sprites here, and then when you click on the flag, to say guess my secret number between 50 to 100, inclusive. All right, so let me share my screen. Israel, Samuel, sorry. So I will explain to it to you. Let me see share. Now, Samuel, this is my screen, and this is how it is supposed to look. First of all, you bring out the sprites, and you bring out this background. So these are the first thing you need to do first. You bring out this sprite, it's every sprite, and then you bring out the chalkboard backdrop. And now on this sprite, that is where you implement all those code that is on the PDF file. On your sprite here, that is where you implement all those code on your on the PDF file. Now, if I click on the flag, it will say guess my secret number between 50 to 100 inclusive. Now, the aim of the game is to guess the number that she's thinking of. So now, for instance, I know the number is between 50 to 100. So now, for instance, I say I guess let's say I guess 60. You can see it is saying too low. Okay, then I have to increase it now. Let me say I choose 70. 70 is too high. So now you know that it's between 60 and 70. So for instance, I say 65. 65 is too low. Let's go 70 and see. Okay, 70 is the actual number. So you can see Israel, Samuel. That is the main aim of the game. You need to guess the correct number. If it is too low, it will display too low. If it is too high, it will be displaying too high. So that is how it is. Now, Israel, what's the question you're asking me?
Sir, the if yes, you asked me to put the if then, but the if then cannot enter the code I want to put inside.
Let me see. Share your screen. Let me see what you're doing.
David, same charge. Fine, go.
In charge.
The charge now.
Okay. Now,
Local charge is
What you need to do now, Israel?
Assim, beleza. Borderline.
Now set guess to answer. Okay. Now after the set guess to answer, the next thing you're bringing out
Okay, yes, sir.
after the set guess to answer, the next thing you're bringing out is if then else. So take that one back. Take that if then you brought out. Take the other one too back. Take the other if then there back. Israel, take the if then back. There is if then there. Bring it out. Israel, bring out the if then. Take everything back. From the set guess to answer, bring everything out. The rest thing that are there that are not supposed to be there. Remove the if guess equals to my secret number. Remove it. Yes. Now add if then else. Now anytime you see if yes, you add the if then else. That it is the same thing. Now continue with your code.
Okay, sir.
Continue with your code now. You cannot add the guess. You add the equal to there. Now write your guess equal to my secret number. Go to your operator and add the equal to
I
sign. You don't what?
don't. Okay, sir. I don't know. I don't want to. I put it, sir. I put sir.
So what do you want me to do? I should be guiding you through. It's your classwork. What's the next thing to do? Iowa Samuel, share your screen. Let me see what you're doing. Iowa Samuel, share your screen. All right, so Iowa Samuel, you're getting it, okay? You can go on with the code. But if you have any question, you can ask me.
Okay, sir.
That is not if then else. That is if then. There's if then and there's if then else. Take that back. Now inside it repeats. Hold on, Samuel. This repeats until guess minus secret number. It is not guess minus secret number. It is guess equal to secret number. Or is it equal to that is there or minus? Guess, is it guess
Sir,
minus?
is equals to.
It's equals to.
Sir, is equals to. Sir, is equals to.
If then else. If then else. Samuel, if then else. Not if then, if then else.
So it's if then else that I just brought out now.
Samuel, stop sharing. Israel, I want you to share your screen. Now, after this work, I'm going to be giving you guys an assignment. And now the assignment also is also in PDF file. So you study the PDF file and then you practice it on your own as your assignment for next week. So after this class, I'll be dropping it in the chat box, or I'll be dropping it now instead. So you can just go and download it since you just have 9 more minutes to go. So just I will send the file to the chat box now. Samuel Marty, are you there? Samuel Marty, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Sorry.
All right, so I've sent the assignment to the chat box now. So you go and download your assignment on the chat box. If you have downloaded it, drop a chat on the chat box. If you have downloaded it, drop a chat on the chat box so I can know that you have downloaded it. Okay, I've seen your text, Ira Samuel. If you have downloaded it, drop a text on the chat box. Israel, you're doing a good job. Continue. Okay, Samuel, I've seen your text as well. Okay, so Samuel, you are free to go. Samuel Matthew, you're free to go.
Sir, the game over is not clear to me.
The game over. Let me see what's
Yes,
there.
sir.
Hold on. It's there. Go and check it. I just not banana. Send it to me now. I snap it to normal camera now. Send it to my WhatsApp. What I'm saying. Three plus four pictures now. Send that for me. Israel, can you hear me now? Israel, can you hear me?
I can hear you, sir.
Okay.
Mommy.
So what you are going to do, hold on. Remove from that stay 2i for 2 seconds. Remove what is in the else there. Remove everything from the else. Say 2i for 2 seconds. The next one down there, remove all the code down. No, leave that one there. Remove all the one down there. From the if. Yeah. Take it out. Now in the else there, you now add the say too low for 2 seconds. In the else, say too low for 2 seconds, Israel. Then go to variable. Now bring out show variable my secret number. Down. Put it down on its own. Bring it downward. At the last part. Bring it down. Bring it down. Okay, so click on the flag now. All right, so you have gotten it now. So go to the chat box. I sent a class your assignment on the chat box. Go and download it now. Once you have downloaded it, you drop a text there that and say you have downloaded the file. Once you have downloaded the file, you drop a text so I can know that you have downloaded it. All right, you're free to go. The class is over now. See you next week.